Hello guys, this is Hassan from HTFX, and I would like to not update, but talk a little bit about Euro US dollar. Now, I will put the link down below for my Elliot count for the Euro US dollar. Okay, but in this video, I wanna show you how I usually use Elliot wave trading with um, with this more basic type of the technical analysis that I do when I make videos sometimes. Okay, now if you go and watch the link down below, you will see that in what I did before and what I said before is like we had this zigzag, and I didn't put it again here, and we had the wave A of the zigzag here and wave C of the zigzag here, and then an X wave, and then A, B, C, D, E, and this triangular formation broke down, and of course something ended here. Okay, so I don't remember the degree I used, so I will just say like this. Okay, and it means that it means that we should be looking for a downside. Okay, now of course after this what happened is the market did break downside, and it was nice, and you should have actually it was pretty good profit, everyone happy, blah blah blah. However, after this, let's see. Now what I do usually is I will just try to make a smaller count. In this case I would say something like A, and it means that we are going for something for B. Now the real idea comes from this fact. Now where did this previous structure is finished? In here, where this E wave is, because this triangle ended here. Okay, so this is my starting point. And what did the market do for the first move down? It did. Okay, now does this move from here to here, does it look impulsive or no? Well, it looks not like impulsive to me. This is why I'm saying if it's not a triangle in this place, which it can be because we don't know this degree. Okay, for example, if this is a B wave, then it can be a triangle. Yes, but if it's not a triangle, then it has to be a flat or a zigzag. Now if it's a flat, the 618 must come. Okay, so 618 must come here, which it did already, by the way. Okay, so you can say to yourself, okay, this is the end of the B wave, this is the end of the B wave, or the B wave is not even done yet. That I cannot make an argument about, because in here to count it is a little bit crazy, because you cannot count this so little time. Okay, you should look for the bigger picture in here. And just like if you watch the videos of Euro US dollar before, we didn't count all the way down here. We were thinking, okay, this is a triangular formation happening, and is this the X wave here, or is this the X wave? And we waited for triangle to be over, and which direction it went, we made a decision. Okay, it should be like this, just like it here as well. Now you have the wave A here and the B wave. If the B wave ended here, is good. I don't know. Does it look like the B wave ended here? Not really, so I'm not so sure. So this is why I put it on the right side. Now, this is where we are. We are either in a B wave, or the B wave finished here and we are in the C wave, and the C wave does not look impulsive at all. Okay? So this is what the theory says to me. However, does this mean that we cannot take any other trades? Absolutely not. This is why I use different methods here. Now, from here to here, we took the fib. You know, this our 618, and the market is now stalling around 618. If it goes up, where it will go, it can go to 80% like here, and it can make a double top. Okay, and I would like to see if it's a double top, you know, some type of divergence here with this RSI. Okay, I would like to see that. Or if you're thinking maybe here it comes, look at this. Here it starts to be support, support, support. You know, still broken, but still support. And let's say support, then resistance here, resistance here, broken, but it's still a resistance here. And you know, you can think, okay, this is somewhere around to be short. Now, can you imagine if this market comes here, then you will have this chance to trade maybe some type of a very ugly double top, divergence, this trend line, and also it goes well with the fib level. Not bad trade. Also, if you look from another perspective, from here to here, if you take the fib from high to the low, that also has this, we have this 50 level here, which comes somewhere here. And also, if you're looking from this trend line, one, you know, resistance, 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 I can say resistance, resistance, and it comes somewhere around here as well, okay? Now, in here, when the market came from here to here, if you did take the fib level from here to here, it came all the way to 618. And in the 618, what we saw this nice oversold, and it was on this trend line. You could have think about going long. It was a perfect place to go long. I actually did a Euro Japanese yen with you at the same time. That was a nice place to go long as well. In here, so this is what I use sometimes to help with my entries. Okay, so this is what I try to actually say. Now, does this mean I will take a short here? I don't know. Okay, this is not for educational. This is not for this financial advice or something. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I will not. Maybe I will miss it. Maybe I not. So, but I'm trying to say to you is this: don't get caught on this. You try to make your own analysis using these methods. Okay, and then you make your own decision. I think this site is about this. Not just copy someone. Okay, copying someone can end really bad. Okay, because how do you know that I will take trade? So this is not the intention here, but the intention here for you to know how I did explain how I did all this count, and now you know what else I am also looking for to entries. So if you learn, that's good for you. If you don't learn, it's not enough for you. You can always contact me. I will teach you Elliot wave theory. Okay, of course for a fee. However, I think I'm pretty good teacher, and I would like to help you guys out. So I hope this makes sense, guys. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.